everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu The Seed from the 18th to the 22nd of July 2022 on Monday. Thando catches Shreya trying to lift Mira's stress while Mira is asleep. Thando castigates Shreya for her indecence and suspicions. Phakathi releases Mzwandile of his death. Mzwandile says bye to Khanyo. Lindiwe finally finds Clive's another mistress on Tuesday. Zithulele and Sibongile are blissfully in each other's arms as Nkululeko makes a play for CEO. Khanyo and Mzwandile finally have their long-awaited moment on Wednesday. Zithulele announces his relationship with Sibongile to Mandlovu. Lindo and Lindiwe come face to face at the harbor and a beatdown ensues. Thando tells Shreya that Mira is faking her pregnancy. Zithulele and Sibongile hit someone with his car on Thursdays. Lindile is lost and desperate. She calls Mzwandile, but he is in the bed with Khanyo. As Zithulele drives Sibongile home, he runs Lindile over and kills her. What will he do next? Mira vows to Jyoti that she will keep fighting for her legacy from Pranav, and Shreya plans to encircle her and force her into making mistakes on Friday. Mzwandile goes out to look for Lindile and is eventually called to identify her body at the mortuary. After learning about the confrontation Shreya had with Dr. Wallace, Mira has a physical altercation with Shreya, which culminates into her feigning being hurt in front of Nirupa. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.